Hi, my name is Linda, and I met Dr. Ella on a cruise 15-ish years ago, and she's always been interested in herbs and supplements and things that could just help people feel better. And we have exchanged charcoal to whenever we didn't feel quite right, and ginger to help the seasickness, the upset stomachs, and such. And she went to school and got her doctor in naturopathy, which only seemed like the natural thing for her to do since she has always been into this sort of thing with the herbs and essential oils. And it's like one night I ended up coughing my head off, and she got some essential oils that she had, and it's like the coughing went away immediately. And it was just a great thing, and it's great to know her. She's a wonderful person to work with and understands if someone can do something or if it's not comfortable for them. She's just all around a great person to discuss your health with, and ways to help get the plan in line and everything for what we want to do. And she's great. Thank you very much.